In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Likert scale in Google Forms. This is an incredibly useful tool for collecting nuanced feedback from survey respondents, allowing them to express varying levels of agreement or disagreement with a particular statement. We'll walk through the steps, ensuring you feel confident in using this feature the next time you need to create a survey. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Forms. You can do this by going to your Google Drive and selecting the New button. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Google Forms and click to create a blank form. Once the form has been opened, you'll see a default title. Feel free to rename it according to your specific needs. Remember, a clear and descriptive title can help your respondents understand the focus of your survey. Next, let's move on to adding your Likert scale question. Under the first question area, you'll find an icon labeled Multiple Choice. Click on this drop-down menu, which will reveal a range of options, and select Linear Scale. This is Google's term for what we usually call a Likert scale, and it allows users to respond to a statement on a predetermined scale, generally with endpoints defined by you, such as strongly disagree to strongly agree. Now you should see options to tailor your scale. Enter your question in the question field, ensuring it's clear and concise. Then set the range of your scale. Google Forms allows a scale from 1 to either 5 or 10, but using a 5-point scale, such as 1 for strongly disagree and 5 for strongly agree, is often sufficient for most surveys. This scale will let respondents express their degree of agreement or disagreement meaningfully. After setting the scale, you can label the two endpoints in the provided fields. For example, for a statement like, "The new company policy is effective," you might label 1 as strongly disagree and 5 as strongly agree. These labels guide respondents, making the survey easier to understand and ensuring consistent answers. Once your first question is set, you can add more questions following the same steps or mix in different types of questions if your survey requires. If you're using multiple Likert scales, consistency is crucial. Try to use the same scale ranges and endpoint labels throughout your form to avoid confusing your respondents. Finally, when your form is complete, preview it by selecting the eye icon at the top right to ensure everything looks good and functions correctly. Once satisfied, sharing your form is simple. Just click on the Send button, enter the email addresses of your desired respondents, and you're good to go. Remember, the clearer your questions and scales are, the more insightful your data will be. I hope this guide helps you make effective use of Google Forms' Likert scale, enhancing your ability to gather valuable feedback. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your use of Google tools.